welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to take you on an exciting journey into the world of chicken production. From the early stages of hatching to the final processing and packaging, we'll reveal the fascinating steps that go into bringing chicken from farm to table. Let's dive in. Our journey begins at a modern chicken hatchery, where fertile eggs from carefully selected breeder chickens are brought in. These eggs are then carefully placed in specialized incubators that provide optimal temperature, humidity, and ventilation to mimic the natural hatching process. Under the watchful eye of skilled hatchery workers, the eggs are turned regularly to ensure even development of the embryos inside. After about 21 days, the eggs start to crack, and tiny chicks emerge from their shells. These adorable baby chicks are then carefully moved to brooder houses, where they will begin their journey of growth and development. In the brooder houses, the baby chicks are provided with a nurturing environment that includes carefully controlled temperature, ample water, and specially formulated feed to support their healthy growth. During the rearing process, the chicks are also vaccinated and given appropriate medication to protect them from diseases and promote their overall health. Skilled workers closely monitor the chicks' growth and behavior, ensuring that they are developing into healthy and robust chickens. Next, the chickens arrive at a state-of-the-art processing plant. Here, trained workers carefully unload the chickens from transport trucks and move them into the facility for the next phase of the process. At the processing plant, chickens are handled with the utmost care and attention to ensure their welfare. The chickens are first stunned using specialized equipment, which renders them unconscious and pain-free before the slaughter process. The chickens are then processed through a humane slaughter system, where they are carefully processed to ensure the highest standards of animal welfare are maintained. Skilled workers follow strict protocols to ensure that the chickens are processed quickly and efficiently. After the chickens are slaughtered, the next step is evisceration, where the internal organs are carefully removed. This process is carried out with precision by trained workers to ensure the safety and quality of the meat. Once the evisceration process is complete, the chickens go through a thorough washing process to remove any contaminants and ensure the highest standards of food safety. The chickens are carefully washed with water and approved sanitizing solutions to maintain their freshness and cleanliness. After the chickens are washed, they are carefully chilled to a safe temperature to maintain their freshness and quality. Once chilled, the chickens are packaged in accordance with strict food safety regulations, using state-of-the-art equipment to ensure the highest standards of packaging. At every stage of the processing, trained quality control inspectors carefully check the chickens for any defects, ensuring that only the highest quality chicken products make it to market. This includes thorough inspections for freshness, cleanliness, and compliance with food safety regulations. Once the processing is complete, the chickens are carefully packed and shipped to various destinations, including grocery stores, restaurants, and other food service establishments. These chickens are now ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. And that's a wrap. We've uncovered the fascinating journey of chicken from farm to table, exploring the industrial process behind the poultry industry. From the careful hatching and rearing of chicks to the advanced processing and packaging, every step is carefully orchestrated to bring high-quality chicken products to our tables. We hope you've enjoyed this captivating glimpse into the world of chicken production. We've witnessed how the chicks are carefully raised and nurtured, how they are processed and packaged, and how they make their way to local grocery stores and markets. From the skilled workers who expertly handle and process the chickens to the advanced machinery that ensures efficiency and safety, chicken production is a remarkable blend of science, technology, and craftsmanship. Next time you savor a delicious chicken dish, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that goes into bringing this protein-rich food to your plate. Show footage of happy customers purchasing and enjoying chicken. Narrator: we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the complex world of chicken production. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating content on our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the industrial process of chicken production. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming up on our channel. Until then, happy cooking with chicken.